everybody, so this is another attempt I'm making at creating this video about selecting point loops. I keep making mistakes when I'm trying to explain this one, but let me try again. Now, making loops with points in Houdini is a real pain in the backside. Let me explain why. So, I go to my select tool. These are the mistakes I was making. Let me go to edge loops. I first of all thought, okay, maybe I can do the same with points as I can do with edges. So I select my edge that I want, I double click and I select the edge loop, right? Let's try the same thing with points. So I'll go to points, I select my point, I double click and I select everything. That's not what I had in mind. Didn't work. Okay, no problem. I'll remember how I did my primitives. Now remember with primitives I can select one, I then hit down the A key, it shows me what I could possibly have selected with this dark blue, and instead of clicking again I use my middle mouse button, I click with the middle mouse, I've selected it. Okay, let's do the same with points. Surely this is going to work, right? Go into points, select, hit my A key, nothing shows up, I'll middle mouse, nothing. Okay, that didn't work. By accident, I figured out that if I hit that A key, I've already got a point selected, and then I move in the direction that I want to the next point, it will then suddenly highlight things. You see how it's highlighted these ones? I hope you can see. If I click, of course, nothing happens. So what I have to do, I actually have to middle click on this. Let me do the same here. A middle click, and now I've selected them. It's actually pretty straightforward-ish. The difficulty I have is at selecting edge loops, selecting primitives, selecting points. They all seem to have a different process, when this makes it a little bit more complicated. But I hope that has helped a little bit. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'll try to answer them as best that I can. And you guys have a great day. I'll see you again in the next lesson. Bye bye.